What's up today, YouTube? Here we are back at you guys with another video. I know it's been a while. I've had a whole bunch of life stuff going on just like everybody else, but I'm finally back into it. Today we're going to be actually taking two computers to build one. So this one is a Lenovo T430S with an i7, but it also has a cracked screen, missing key, and it just looks, the overall quality, since this is a used computer, it's definitely showing us mileage. And here we have another T430S, but it has an i5. Both of these are third gen. This is a third gen i7. This is a third gen i5. I believe. I think. Yeah. This is third gen i7. I'm sorry, i5. But yeah, both these computers, we're going to be using them to make one. Like I was saying, this is another T430S, third gen i5, but it does look really good. Like, as you can see, the keyboard looks good, barely used compared to this one. As you can see, the keys are worn, and the mouse pad here, or the trackpad, is looking pretty nasty, while this one looks really good. So, like as I said, this one has a dead board, this one has a good board, so looks can be deceiving, obviously, you know, but this is the one we want. So what I'm going to be doing is tearing this one apart, well, both of them apart, and pretty much just swapping the boards over. So yeah, as you can see, the top or the back covers are not too bad. This one is missing back panel and the battery, hard drive caddy cover, and the caddy itself. This one is missing. This one's just a little dented, just needs a screw. It does have a battery. Thought my GoPro died on me, but it did not. And it does have the hard drive caddy and cover. So yeah, all right guys, let's go ahead and get into it. This is not going to be an instructional video, so it's pretty much just going to be like a time-lapse type thing with some chill music. All right, so there we go, guys. As you can see, the computer is up and running. We got the i7 from the original computer we had, and it's now in the donor PC, which had an i5 with a dead board. So as you can see here, it's looking good. We're up in good running shape now. I'd say that this chassis is probably grade A compared to the other one, which is probably grade C. That other one had missing key as well as worn keys. This one's looking good, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. I try my best to show you guys it booting up and posting with the GoPro mounted up on the wall there. I hope you guys can see that. I'll only be able to tell that when I'm editing the video, but yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Many more videos like this coming soon. This is what I do for a living. I refurbish and resell. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.